Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I am trying out this Wingme Clear Brow Gel. So this is one of the 3 brow gels I got in Ipsy in the month of July, and I'm not too familiar with this brand, but it looks like a really nice product just from the packaging. It says it's cruelty-free and vegan. It retails for $18. And I am just so picky when it comes to my brow products, and I love filling in my brows, and I love trying out new brow products. And so, as you could clearly tell, I did fill in one of my brows already with a pencil, because that's how I like to do my brows. I fill them in with a pencil and then I top them off with a brow gel. So I want to see how this brow gel looks on top of a regular pencil, the way I'd wear it, and to see how it looks alone, to give it more of a thorough review. But so here is what the packaging looks like. I mean, it's simple, but it just looks so aesthetic to me. And then I'm also picky about the wand brush that a brow gel has, but this looks like exactly what I like. I like it to be small and precise. So the looks of this have me feeling hopeful. Let's go ahead now and see how it is on my brow. I'm gonna actually start on the brow without the pencil, so we can see how that is. Oh yeah, I mean, it's brushing through nicely, getting every brow hair, and it's definitely not going on heavy or clumpy. It also doesn't look like it's really looking like anything in the brow, like it's not looking glossy or matte, even though the description did say it's a matte gel. I feel like I can't tell if I applied a lot or not. Yeah, it's not dried down yet. I actually do kind of like when a brow gel actually looks like a brow gel in the brows, where it will define the hairs, maybe even volumize them. But this is really looking like nothing, which is not necessarily a bad thing as long as it has some good hold to it. But I'm gonna have to let it dry down to know. But while I wait for it to dry down, let's see how it is in the brow with the pencil. I feel like it did slightly lift and remove the pencil, but I also just feel like I keep having to dip back in to apply more because it's just looking like nothing. Like, not feeling too impressed by the product itself. Now it definitely should be dried down. Yeah, and it has no hold to it. So if it's not holding the brows in place and it's not defining or volumizing the hairs, then I'm not a fan of this. Like, it's not doing anything that is worth applying, not worth spending $18. And actually, this is starting to look crumbly. I know I've been brushing through it a lot, but now, since it has kind of dried down, it is just absolutely crumbling away. It looks like dry skin in the brow, and that is an absolute no-no in my book for a brow gel. So I'm like literally removing it because it's all crumbling off. Yikes. Well, this I am going to have to declare a product failure for me. And I don't get these very often, but sometimes I do. And this is just, yeah, it's not a product that I'm going to use, not a product that I'm going to recommend, because it did nothing that I want my brow gels to do. But everyone's skin and hair is different, so if you've tried this out, I would definitely like to hear in the comments down below how it worked for you, if you have any tips on ways that you were able to get it to work for you. But I am not feeling too hopeful with this. Let's see now on the brow with the pencil. Yeah, just absolutely no hold, and then when you go to fix it, it just crumbles off. Now on the brow with the pencil, it's crumbling off with the pencil as well. So it's like removing the pencil underneath. Just not good, not working out for me. So I guess I will end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.